Hi guys, it wasn't my intention to do a video, but when I started I said, you know what, we're gonna see the finished result together. So I'm just showing you. It's just some chicken wings, and I add some chicken seasoning to it. I add a little bit of browning, just a little bit. And you know guys, you have to put your good Diana sauce. I'm gonna add some more to show you. There you go. And then now I'm gonna add a little bit of this chicken and rib barbecue sauce. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna mix everything together and I'm gonna put it down to sit for about an hour or two to let everything soak up in it, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven, mix everything together. Just like that. So guys, there it is. I grease my baking pan and I'm gonna pour all of this in. Ooh, so nice. I'm gonna pop this in the oven. When it's almost baked, I'm gonna go over it with a little bit more of this Diana sauce. And it's gonna be juicy and nice. For my barbecue wings, I'm gonna dish it out and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, this is the final result. My barbecue wings, very yummy and nice. I serve it up with 2 slices of bread, some tomato and lettuce, and oh my god, look at that guys. Mouth watering, so yummy. And guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Juicy. Bye guys.